How to create text paragraphs in Excel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show the perfect process. So guys, let's start the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Excel sheet. So in order to insert the paragraph in Excel, we need to go in insert option here. Under the insert option, we need to go in this text box. Just click on it, and you can see now we have insert this paragraph cell. Here you need to copy paste your data, or you can simply type. So I just paste my data here. You can minimize the size of these paragraphs. Okay, you can move this paragraph anywhere. Okay, you need to just keep the cursor here and make sure this symbol visible, then click and hold it, then you can move your paragraph anywhere in sheet. Okay, now if you want to make the column of this paragraph, you can simply click on this paragraph text box, right click on it, and go to the format sharp. Under the format sheet, we need to go in this option and go to the text box. Here go to the column, and here we need to insert the column numbers. If you want to make 2 columns, then click the column 2, and you need to take the spacing size. So I just take 2 centimeter. This okay. Now we have 2 columns of these paragraphs. So that is how we can insert the paragraphs in Excel. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.